going.
If I don't leave right now, what's going to happen?
You'll be arrested for obstructing governmental operations.
If I don't leave, what's going to happen?
You'll be arrested.
So what happens now?
You gotta go, okay?
So what happens if I don't?
So are we arrested if I don't leave? Is that from this office or the
Get
courthouse?
out.
Or that courthouse?
So if I don't leave, what's going to happen?
I'll arrest you.
Oh, say, so I'll be arrested if I don't leave.
Today's video takes us to Guntersville, Alabama, where we're gonna look at the ridiculous case of Alabama versus Lana, Looney, whatever you want to call her. Yeah, it's just unbelievable. Let's all sit back, watch, have a good night, but most of all, enjoy Markie Boy. Yeah, man bun Lana was arrested, and that was almost a year ago. She was sentenced to jail time, and she appealed the case, had it continued, and now it's been continued again. This is really unbelievable. Oh yeah, by the way, Lana claimed in another video she's 5'9", 130 pounds. Really? You look more like a football linebacker, Lana. Who's telling who a lie? Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at the court documents. Let's see, what do we have here? This is a court order talking about the sentences are to be served consecutively for a total of 180 days. Oh, that's as much time as Chili got. And guess what? Lana has to serve it in a men's jail. That's because Lana's really a man. Yeah, well, Lana's got some issues. She doesn't want to go serve her time because that's too far away from home. She'll be away from her hubby, Rusty Boy. No doubt about it. Let's take a look at some more documents right here. Now we see here that this is a joint motion to continue the case. This is the second time the case has been continued. What the hell is wrong here? Well, what's wrong? Oh, Lana doesn't want to drive. It's too far to go. Oh, poor Lana. Yeah, well, I tell you what, Lana. You drove all the way down there, but now you can't drive down there to have your court case heard? Is that what the problem is? Yeah, let's see here. However, this court is not inclined to halt the judicial process due to one alleged to have committed a crime living in another jurisdiction, which renders it inconvenient for said individual to appear. Oh, as ordered for the trial of the case. It's the defendant's alleged conduct which brought about this criminal proceeding, and the defendant who will be required to comply with the orders of this court, just as any other person charged with a criminal offense who appears on the same docket. That's right, Lana. Nobody gives a crap how far away you live. Oh, 500 miles from the Marshall County Courthouse. It's too far to drive, Your Honor. It's inconvenient. What can I do, Your Honor? It's just so inconvenient. I got something inconvenient for you. Hey, I tell you what, guess what's going to happen when you go to jail, Lana? You have to bend over and grab your ankles. Now, won't that be embarrassing? Oh, I'd hate to be the dude have to look up there. Oh, my God. That guy needs a raise. You know what I'm saying? Moving forward, notwithstanding the foregoing and upon joint motion of the state and defendant, the court orders the above style cases are again continued and reset for jury trial April 29th at 9 a.m. Well, guess what? April 29th came and went, and now guess what? It's been continued again. You know, what the hell? Well, I can't drive 500 miles, Your Honor. It's just too far for me to drive. I'm just a fragile little thing. I'm just a fragile little woman. Well, that's not quite true now, is it, Markie Boy? Yeah, well, look at what we have here. The case has been continued for the third time until September 15, 2025 at 9 a.m. Well, you can bet your bottom dollar this will be the last continuance. Yeah, I don't understand what's going on down there in Alabama. From the laws I read, though, when you appeal a case, apparently you get a whole brand new trial. So it's possible Lana could be found not guilty. Is that what she's hoping for? I don't know. In Alabama, I think if you're found guilty once, you're going to be found guilty again. Hey, you know who we could ask? We could ask, what's his name? What was his name? Oh, yeah, Frauditor Wrangler. We could ask him all about the laws in Alabama, because apparently he's real familiar with those laws. But at any rate, I digress, to borrow a word from him. Yeah, Lana, hey, you know what? You'll have to do 180 days in the men's slammer. Bend over and grab your ankles. Oh, man. You can ask Chili about that. Bending over and grab the ankles. That was one of the best parts of his day. Matter of fact, that was the highlight of his time in the slammer. Or maybe in his case, it was the pokey. Either one, it's a good time to be had by everybody. Now, I just posted this video not too long ago. It was a repost by old Rusty Boy. So I can't post it again. But I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to refresh your memory on all this nonsense. Oh, it's going to be a good time, Lana. Or should I call you Markie Boy? Now, inquiring minds want to know, when Markie Boy here goes to prison, or jail, whatever you want to call it, will he be Markie Boy, or will he stick to the name Lana? Inquiring minds got to know these things now. Come on. Yeah, you want to pretend to be a woman in a men's jail? That's going to present some problems. But not to worry, we'll stay on top of this, and we're all waiting for September 15th, aren't we, Markie Boy? No doubt. But in the meantime, if you enjoy watching stupid people do stupid things on my channel, please subscribe, because the world is filled with stupid people, and they all migrate here to the YouTube platform to showcase their hidden talents, whatever the hell those might be. And Dr. Day is more than happy to edit those videos and bring them to you so you can have a laugh for the day. No doubt about that. Please check out my other channels, including Dr. Dave, Debunker of Frauditors and Subsets. Oh, there's plenty of stupid people over there to point and laugh at. And if you need more stupidity, there's my main channel, which has over 6,000 video uploads for your viewing pleasures all day and night. These frauditors just need to find a damn job, but they're too stupid because they have no education or job skills. That's why they're frauditors. Cheers to that, sweetheart.
An ordinances book. Yep, that's correct. Say, come again. Is there any reason why these officers are here?
I got permission.
Sir, you cannot film in here.
Because the information you're providing is unlawful.
I don't want
You can't film it.
Call the sheriff. I have permission.
You can't-
I
no,
don't
you
want
don't
you to
have
film. Don't
permission,
get close to
and
me.
that's all.
You want to go that route? What is the reason for calling the officers here?
I want to know what your job title is to see if you're able to assist.
Who are you?
Who am I? Who's the one who called the officers in the first place? Because this may become a legal suit now. This is transparency. I'm conducting an audit. While I wait for the clerk to show me the statute about freedom of information, I need to do an inspection on the town, city, zoning and ordinances book.
I have permission. I have permission. I have permission to film here, sir.
Ma'am, please ask your superior before disrespecting somebody of the public. Where's the water department for this town?
Don't yell. I'm talking to you softly. Why are you yelling at me?
Sir, please stop recording me.
Okay, I need to do an inspection.
I understand that. Please stop recording me right now. You do not have my permission to record me.
Okay, is your facility open to the public?
Not currently.
Not currently, okay. Okay, can you comply with my request? Where's your water department? Ma'am, you're totally wrong. This will become a legal matter if you choose to go this route. Should I go over FOIA law with you?
No, I don't need to do that.
Show me the statute.
Sir?
Can you show me the statute?
Sir.
Who are you with?
What do you mean, who am I?
Who are you with?
What do you mean? I have the right to record, ma'am. I have permission here with me. I'll be waiting for the statute. Thank you. I'll be waiting for the book, sir. Ma'am, this is going to turn out a legal matter.
Okay, sir.
This is going to become a legal matter. Please comply. Pass. I got a pass. Along with an inspection on the zoning and town zoning and ordinances book.
I'm going to be conducting some business here. I'm going to be recording it.
Ma'am, it's up to you, ma'am. There may be a suit in the court of law for non-compliance. What do you mean who I'm with, ma'am?
I don't know what you want.
I don't know why you're giving me a hard time or a bad attitude.
know.
In order to do an inspection on a book readily available.
Hi, ma'am. What's your first name?
How can I help you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me what's your first name?
Who are you?
The budget book, ma'am. I need to
I
do
don't have. If you want to have a seat, I'll ask.
Sure, that's fine. Ma'am, I have permission to film. I have permission. I have permission here. Well, you see, the thing is, my good man. Anyhow, compliance is the key, folks. Where does it state that? Ma'am, I need stamped copies of these FOIA here.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sure, possibly. I'm acting as press, ma'am. First Amendment. And I also have permission here with me. Okay, ma'am, you also have to abide by 2635.101 basic obligations of public service. Sir, I'm abiding by the statutes. It does not require a name in order to obtain record. Okay, well, you're talking unlawful. You're talking incorrect. That is not true what you just stated. Come again? Very rude. I'm not rude. It all shows on camera. You're the one who's rude. Well, anyhow.
No one really cares.
No one really cares? An inspection, if I wanted to take digital photocopies.
No, you cannot.
Absolutely, I can,
No,
ma'am.
you cannot.
Please comply with the law. Are you refusing service? Just tell me you're refusing service. Hand me over your business card and you will be hearing from my lawyer. If you go ahead and record, that means you're creating a public record and you cannot delete that off your personal phone. Your personal phone becomes a public record.
That's fine. I'll record it.
Okay. Well, sir, there's options to conduct business in person. You can't refer everybody to online. I'm not going to refuse my identification. However, I have not committed any crime. You cannot articulate that I have broken the law. Here's what I will tell you. Ma'am, there's no expectation of privacy in public. You could just call me sir. I'd like to file a police report of non-compliance about a employee that works here. Sir, I don't answer any questions.
You don't respect me. Why would
So therefore, I'm not obligated to provide any identification in this matter.
you talk about my wife? What does my wife have to do with anything?
No, I'm not providing an address, ma'am. I'm doing a general inspection.
What does my wife? Why put up a picture and say that's my wife of a goat?
Not in my uniform, however, I do have my clipboard with me. That is not lawful, what you told me.
We're gonna have a ball at your cemetery. We're gonna bring you a rose, okay? We're gonna bring you a rose and we're gonna say you were dishonorable. He's attached to the affidavit too. He's part of the enterprise. You drew first blood. Just like you do with all these auditors, you draw first blood. In the next 3 days, I'm gonna have a criminal enterprise community section, and it's gonna be real well detailed. I got an attorney that's helping me draft it up and write it up. Scumbag, you're just a plain scumbag, man. You want to say why I'm upset and stuff, and we're gonna prove that you are breaking U.S. code. If I really wanted to be petty, I would take you to court.